hurricane season runs from June 1 through November 30. It normally peaks between August and October. Be prepared.
Do not park your vehicles under trees, power lines, or low-lying areas. If you can, fill the gas tank of your vehicle and make sure your spare tire is in good condition. Keep a small emergency kit with food, water, and medication in your car in case you are stranded. Do not take a chance and drive through floodwaters. Even 6 inches can be dangerous. Do not drive around barricades put up on roadways. Pay close attention to advisories about closed roadways and bridges. Avoid driving on bridges that are over fast-moving water. Monitor your radio or television for weather updates and instructions. Be prepared.